Eco-friendly bleaching agents are added to the waste paper pulp. This breaks down residual lignin, brightening the pulp. The pulp is now ready for the next stage of processing.
Fine screening removes tiny impurities from processed waste paper pulp. Scene 29. Multiple flotation stages purify waste paper pulp further. In the first stage, air bubbles attach to ink particles and rise, forming a foam which is removed. Refiners mechanically treat waste paper pulp fibers for softness. The pulp enters the machine, where internal discs rotate rapidly. This in mechanical action, the result is pulp ready for soft paper products. Mixing tanks ensure even whitening of waste paper pulp. Bales of waste paper enter the pulping machine, where they are broken down into a slurry. The final product is soft, absorbent toilet paper, ready for packaging. Vacuum systems remove excess water from forming soft toilet paper. The continuous process ensures consistent quality and softness.
Let's test the ultra soft first. It feels very pliable.
Right. Now for the extra soft. See the difference?
Definitely. Let's get a reading on the firm.
Compressing now, the gauge is steady.
This batch feels right. Checking pliability now.
Agreed. No tears or compression issues.
Excellent. All rolls are approved. Proceed.
Logging as approved.
Thickness measurement ensures consistency in soft toilet paper. The digital gauge provides a precise reading of the paper's thickness. This process is repeated to verify batch consistency. First, we weigh the dry toilet paper. Next, we submerge it in water. After draining, we weigh the wet paper. The difference shows the water retained.
Tensile strength is spot on.
Good. Speeding up the line.
Ply bonding is consistent.
Great. Watch for jams. Plenty of stock in aisle 12. Moving to the next row now.